In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate BMI and assign categories in a spreadsheet. We'll start by making sure your sheet has a simple table with 5 columns: name, weight, height, BMI, and category. Weight should be in kilograms and height in meters because the standard body mass index formula uses those units. If your data is in other units, just keep in mind that the result will only be accurate when weight and height are in kilograms and meters. Click into the first BMI cell on the row where you want the calculation. Type an equal sign to start the formula, then click the weight cell in that same row, type a /, click the height cell in that row, type the caret symbol, and then type 2. Your formula reads as weight divided by height to the power of 2, which is the BMI formula. The caret is the exponent operator, so writing height at 2 squares the height. Press enter to confirm and you'll see the BMI value for that row. Next, move to the category cell on that same row so we can translate the BMI number into a label, like underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. Type an equal sign and start the VLOOKUP function. Click the BMI cell you just calculated to use it as the lookup value, then type a comma. Now select the range that contains your BMI thresholds in the first column and the matching category names in the second column by clicking the first threshold cell, typing a colon, and then clicking the last category cell in that 2-column list. With that range highlighted, press F4 to lock it, so copying the formula later won't shift the reference. Type a comma, type 2. To tell VLOOKUP to return the value from the second column of that range, type another comma, and then type true. Close the parenthesis if your spreadsheet doesn't do it automatically, and press enter. Here's what each part means. The BMI cell is what we're looking up. The 2-column range holds the rules. Thresholds on the left, category names on the right. Locking the range with F4 keeps it fixed. The 2 means give me the category from the second column, and true tells VLOOKUP to use an approximate match. Approximate match works when your threshold values are arranged from smallest to largest, so the function can find where the BMI fits. That's it. You've calculated BMI with weight divided by height squared and used VLOOKUP to return a clear category for each result.